Hello and welcome to the Apex Engineered S30 upper rack clamp install. Are your rack clamps crusty and rusty? Let's get you into something trusty and shiny. Let's get into it. Look at these beautiful pieces. Gosh, aren't they pretty? Out of 6061 billet aluminum right here in the US of A. For this install, you're gonna have a handful of hardware. You're gonna have 4 of these 3/8 nuts, 4 of these 3/8 washers, and you will have 4 of these socket head bolts. Now, one thing to note is that if you are installing to the factory crossmember, let us know and we will supply just one alternative. You're still gonna have the same washer and nylon lock nut, it's just we're gonna provide you with shorter socket head bolts. For the install, whether you have the rack clamps going to the factory crossmember or our crossmember, the tools required are gonna be practically the same. First, you'll need a ratchet wrench. Then you'll need a ratchet extension. Then you'll need a 10mm socket, a 9/16 socket, and finally a 5/16 Allen key. First thing you're gonna do is with your 10mm socket and your extension, go ahead and snap that on and remove the factory bolts. Now with the factory rack clamps uninstalled, the next thing you're gonna do is gonna drill those 2 upper holes with a 3/8 drill bit. You could go a little bit bigger, but a 3/8 is for the bolt size. Next thing you're gonna do is install the nice 6061 billet upper rack clamps and go ahead, press those onto the bushing, and then using the shorter 3/8 bolts, put those through the holes. Next, you're gonna tighten the bolts, first putting the washer on and then the 3/8 nut. Using the 15/16 Allen key and 9/16 socket, go ahead and tighten that down. And now look at how pretty that is, and oh, well, we ran out of time. Well, like and subscribe, folks, thanks!